Ever wondered if that GrabPay balance in your app could actually, become actual cash? Like cold, hard currency you can hold, spend anywhere, and not just within the Grab ecosystem? If you've been racking up points, getting cash back, or simply have a balance sitting there from a refund, you might be thinking, this is great for my rides and food orders, but what if I need cash for something else? Well, my friends, you're not alone. Many of us appreciate the convenience of digital wallets, but there are always those times when cash is king. Maybe you need to pay for something at a hawker stall that doesn't accept e-wallets, or you're splitting a bill with friends who prefer good old paper money. Whatever the reason, the question of how do I cash in with GrabPay is a legitimate one, and today, we're diving deep into the different ways you can convert your digital GrabPay funds into physical cash. Now, it's important to understand that GrabPay isn't designed to be a direct cash-out service in the same way an ATM lets you withdraw from your bank account. However, Grab, being the versatile platform it is, offers several clever avenues that indirectly achieve this. Let's break them down. First up, and probably the most straightforward method, is through peer-to-peer transfers. Do you have a friend or family member who needs to pay you back for something, or perhaps owes you money? Instead of them transferring cash to your bank, they can simply pay you via GrabPay. Then, they can withdraw that cash from their own bank account. You essentially sell your GrabPay balance to them in exchange for their cash. This requires a bit of coordination, but it's efficient if you have a willing participant. Another excellent option, particularly if you're a frequent Grab user, is to utilize GrabPay's integration with partner merchants. While not a direct cash out, consider this: if you regularly spend cash at a particular store that also accepts GrabPay, you can simply use your GrabPay balance there instead. This frees up the cash you would have spent, effectively putting it back in your pocket. Think about your daily groceries, your favorite coffee shop, or even utility bills if they're payable via Grab. By paying with GrabPay, you preserve your physical cash for other needs. It's a form of indirect cash out by optimizing your spending. For those who are a bit more entrepreneurial, consider offering to pay for someone's Grab ride or food order. Imagine a friend is about to book a Grab car and you say, "Hey, I'll pay for that with my GrabPay, just give me the cash." This is a quick and easy way to convert your digital balance into tangible money, especially if you have friends who frequently use Grab services. It's a win-win. They get a convenient payment, and you get your cash. Finally, while less common and dependent on your region, some authorized GrabPay agents or kiosks might offer cash-in and cash-out services. This isn't universally available and often comes with fees, so it's crucial to check Grab's official website or app for information specific to your location. Always be cautious and only use official, verified channels if you go this route. So, while GrabPay isn't an ATM in your pocket, by strategically using its features, you can absolutely convert your digital balance into cash. It's all about leveraging the ecosystem, whether through friends, smart spending, or offering to pay for others. With a little bit of planning, that digital balance can indeed become cold, hard cash in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.